I bet you can clone me, Coby. I bet you I can, okay? So, what you gonna do first? You're gonna get in your lab suit. You got a lab suit. And then, you are going to get a cotton swab. Yeah. Anyways, after you get the cotton swab, oh, I forgot one thing. You're gonna get a standard cotton swab. So this is from it's for COVID test, but I don't give a shit. And then you're gonna open the cotton swab that has already been opened. Gonna get the standard cotton swab. What you're gonna do is you are going to go in a circular motion so that you preserve the DNA. And then, okay, that's how you do it. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna go back to my lab. Okay, now I'm in my lab and I got a tube full of hydrochloric acid. So this acid is very dangerous, and if it even touches your skin, you're gonna die, okay? So don't let it touch your skin. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna dip your cotton swab in there, and you're going to leave it for about 25 days, okay? And after 24 days, this is our final product. But if you have patience, then you can wait for around 400 to 500 days. Okay, let's see what happens when we leave him for like 400 to 500 days, okay? And this is him after 400 days. So it's a tube full, like kind of tube full. So this is a tube full of moisturizer that you can use, and only the chemical that you need is hydrochloric acid. So this is very poisonous, so like don't let it touch your skin, don't let it, okay, it isn't. Welcome to ABC channel, and this is another episode of Dumb Ways to Die.